Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 19. As sun, I give heat. I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and also death, both existence and non-existence, O Arjuna.
Chapter 9, Shloka 19. Tapam ahamaham varsham nirnam vusrujami cha amritan chaiva mrityuscha sadasachaham Arjuna.
Chapter 9, Shloka 19. In the previous two shlokas, we saw how the self was the essence in all plurality and the names by which it is called in different roles. Now we see how the self is ruling factor and absolute essence too. Self as heat. The electricity gives heat in the heater, light in the bulb, breeze in the fan. When conditioned through the equipment, it expresses as the heat, light, and breeze. Similarly, the self, the one existence, by identifying with the sun, becomes the source of all heat for the entire universe. How empowered by the self, the one sun controls the totality is explained. If the sun were to increase its heat by a few degrees, the climate of the whole world will change. The icebergs will start melting and there will be floods in the plains, and the flora and fauna of the world will change, and if it reduces its heat by a little, people would come down from the North Pole towards the South Pole, where there will be increase in population and the sorrows due to lack of food. Self as immortality and death. The self is the changeless and the illuminator of change. One who realizes the self as the immutable and eternal reaches the state of immortality. In the presence of awareness, all change is illumined. So we can say the self gives the experience of existence to change, which is death, as in the relative phenomenon. The death of the previous state is the birth of the state. Self as existence and non-existence. Existence and non-existence can be perceived and experienced as Sat and Asat only if a positive illuminator is present, because of consciousness as all knowledge. Sat and Asat can also mean unmanifest and manifest, or indicate cause and effect. Cause as unmanifest thoughts and effects as objects. The eternal self is the essence in both the manifest and the manifest. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.